Okay, so now let's do that as our answer. 1, 2, 3, and making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, where the dreams come true. Thumbs in, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, where the dreams come true. Thumbs in, elbows up, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, where the dreams come true. Thumbs in, elbows up, knees bend, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, where the dreams come true. Thumbs in, elbows up, knees bend, feet apart, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, where the dreams come true. Thumbs in, elbows up, knees bend, feet apart, thumbs up, where the dreams come true. Alright, let's clap our hands. Good. So, before we proceed to our discussion, let us have our motivation first. So, let me divide you as two groups. This would be one group and the second group. Okay? So, our game for today is called I Can Hear Your Voice. So, it could be a sound of an animal or sound of a person. So, for group 1, please stand up. So, I want you to identify whose voice is this.
Ang masarap maghalo-halo ngayong Pasko, sama mo kayo sa amin.
Okay? Yes, it is a name of a person. Do you know it? You don't know? Okay, please go down. How about group 2? Jessica Soho. Alright, it's Jessica Soho. Let's clap our hands. Okay, so let us give a chance for group 1. So please stand up again. And whose sound is this? Yes, it's a cat. So clap your hands, everyone. Okay, so since it is all about the sounds, our discussion for today is about pronunciation. But before that, let us all read our classroom rules. Number 1, please read.
Listen when someone is talking.
Okay, stop. So listen when someone is talking. As I am here in front of you talking, discussing what the topic is all about, you should listen to your teacher. Number 2,
Be respectful all the time.
okay. Number 3,
Raise your right hand if you want to answer.
so if you want to answer, you just raise your right hand. Alright. And then number 4,
Avoid using gadgets during class.
avoid using gadgets. And number 5,
Collaborate and enjoy learning.
okay, very good. So, do you know what the sound of this? Alright, it sounds as shh. And it is typically just like putting the noisy classroom or noisy students like shh. So it's like the listening. So that is the sound of this symbol. So there are multiple examples for these sounds. It could be in the first part, the middle part, and the last part. So first one is, once I read, you follow after me, okay? So first one is shake, shake, shop, shop, shaft, shaft. Okay, in the middle part is push, push. I Sorry. The middle part here is here, so this would be the last part of the sound. Again, dishes. Machine. Fishing. Okay, the last one is push. Trash. Fresh. Right. So these are the examples of the sounds here. So I have an activity for you. May I request everyone to please get a scratch of paper, and I want you to identify the words based upon the stories, or list down the words that corresponds with the sounds of shh. Alright, so this is the story, and I have a question afterwards, so you have to listen to your teacher. Okay? Once in a sunny seaside town, there was a quiet girl named Sarah who sold seashells. She loved the soothing sound of the waves and the special sound of seashells. One day, while walking on the beach, she found a strange shell, shining like silver and blue. She showed it to everyone in town, and soon her shell shop became super popular. But Sarah stayed shy, letting her shells do the talking instead. Okay? So, question number 1. Who enjoyed the sound of the waves and seashells in the seaside town? Yes?
Sarah.
Okay, it was Sarah. Very good. Let's clap our hands to Miss Casal. Next one. Where did Sarah sell her seashells? Yes? Yes, in the beach. Let's clap our hands to you, Miss Salim. Next one. What did Sarah find on the beach that made her shell shop popular? Yes? Seashells, particularly the color of shiny like blue and silver. Alright. Last one is, when did Sarah discover the shiny shell? Yes, we went on the beach. Thank you so much. So have you listed down the words that correspond to the sound of shh? Alright? So, these are the words that correspond to the sounds of shh. So, did you get all the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Alright, very good. Since you are listening to your teacher, just as you listen in my story, you find out that the sound, alright, is here in our story, which is that shells, sheep, seashells, show, shell, shop, shine. Alright. Very good. So let's clap our hands. So that will be all for our discussion. Thank you so much.